Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the basics of wheel cribs, or cribbing, and why I prefer them over jack stands while I'm working extensively underneath the vehicle. If you're at all like me, you probably have about 6,000 jack stands of varying quality floating around your garage, your truck, or your kitchen cupboards. Now, this video is not intended to go down the rabbit hole on jack stands. However, I would like to preface with what I am about to say next with jack stands are usually a perfectly safe method to support a vehicle, and unless you own a lift, really the only method if you are removing the wheels from the vehicle. Additionally, there is nothing inherently wrong with a jack stand, assuming it is built well, used within its weight limit, and on a hard, even surface. That being said, when it comes to performing extensive work such as repairing a transmission, or the type of work I'll be doing throughout this restoration, I tend to reach for my home-built wheel cribs rather than a jack stand. I find cribbing to be far more convenient as it is out of the way, which provides more room underneath the vehicle, and I also don't have to worry about some Final Destination-esque series of events leading to a jack stand collapsing. Additionally, a stripped car like Becky tends to slip around on jack stands pretty easily, which is problematic as I will be needing to do some pulling on the chassis throughout this restoration. So what exactly is cribbing? Simply put, cribbing is a work structure typically built by stacking wood beams, which is then used to support heavy objects. Cribbing is often found on construction sites, boat yards, MTV, and as this video has heavily implied, my garage. Now, if you stuck with me this far, you're probably asking yourself, do I really need to kill half a small rainforest just to support my clapped out 93 Civic? And the answer to that question is absolutely not. Just go down to your local lumber store and pick up some 2x4s or 4x4s and let them cut down the rainforest for you. My wheel cribs are as basic as they get. 12 inches wide, 18 inches long, made of nothing more than 2x4s and wood screws. Don't worry, the screws are not load-bearing. There are 4 base pieces, which you see here, on which the intermediate pieces are stacked to obtain the desired height. Finally, there are 4 top pieces, which the wheels set directly on. The set of cribbing I built stacks up to a height of approximately 14 inches, which on my GTR translates to about 22 inches of space underneath the vehicle. Overall, cribbing is a fairly simple setup, which can hold a substantial amount of weight. In the past, I have used the set of cribbing you see here to hold a Duramax truck which weighed in around 6,000 pounds. So if you're looking for an alternative to a jack stand, wheel cribs are an excellent choice and are easy to make with nothing more than a saw and drill. Well, that's it for now, folks. If you like what you saw here, please help me impress the algorithm by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for watching.